Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this episode, I would like to show you how to host your PHP web on Hotstitcher. And for the first time, you need to register for the package. The package Hotstitcher. In this episode, I register for the premium web hosting package here, or you can choose the normal package on Hotstitcher. When you click on Hotstitcher, you can see, okay, this is, alright, okay, this is normal, a single package. Um, you can about $3, and in this case, I size for the premium, okay, total around $5. No, it's not $5. It's approximately $5. Fucking, it's $10. And if you're in Vietnam, it must be $10. Okay, so here's the website I will host today. This is my PHP website. I host it successfully on Hotstitcher. You can see this is a temporary domain, and if you want, you can. Alright, let's see. You can get a new domain, and by okay, so there are many domain here. .NET costs more than $10, and about .com around three yeah $5. Okay, here we go. And okay, in this episode, I just used temporary domains, and this is my website list, and I'll create a new website. You can choose the empty PHP HTML website here. We will upload our code and the database, and when you click, it will show us the dashboard and just hello, who is this for. You can choose myself or visit or someone else, so whatever you want, it doesn't matter. So click next button, and for the domain, if you want, you can buy a domain name. So in this case, I just use temporary domain. Okay, it will set up for us the dashboard for this website, and this is the website I have successfully. So I close it. Um, okay, I will close this.
Lock the
Okay, when they create a dashboard for you, the website name here, this is the domain, temporary domain. It's a little bit ugly. And okay, this is file manager where you upload your code, and this is database where you import your database. In this case, is MySQL database. Now I'm directing to the file manager to upload my code. And okay, if you click in the link below, you can see this is the default page. Inside the public HTML, this is the default PHP. It's referring to the default page slide here. And okay, I'll just delete the default page because I will upload my web PHP web e-commerce. Also, just delete this. And now refresh it, and you see it will forbidden because there is no PHP file in the public folder. Alright. Let's see. I'll upload a file, and you can find where's your PHP folders file you place. And in this case, I will upload this. Okay, I will add keys to zip file. Alright, add two keys and choose a zip file and press OK. And make sure you have your database SQL export. Now let's open your Laravel or SAMP. Um, in my case, I use Laravel because my SAMP, yes, is always display error with MySQL, so I uninstall SAMP and use Laravel. Okay, and I have to make sure Laravel is better than SAMP. And if your SAMP doesn't work correctly, just uninstall it and use Laravel. It's better than ever. Okay, I will open my phpMyAdmin and the local. I will choose this zip file, okay, and I will open, and it will block the zip file on the public folder. Now let's see. This is my database, and I will export it. Okay, I have already export my database in the folder here, and I have to notice you one thing, that is on HotStreamer they only accept the UTF general CI. If you export as the old MySQL, MySQL version is only export Okay, I will open the another folder to compare with the current SQL. In my case, okay, this one. So now you can see the collate. This is different than this because this is general, and this is the number 0900 AICI, and these my phpMyAdmin on HostInter doesn't accept this collate, so we have to change all the collate reference this to the general CI like this. Okay, you have to notice that if you import your local database on the database on HotStreamer, yes, and it happens anywhere. It might be called by the collate, wrong collate. Okay, collation. Okay, and alright, this is export. Just export here, and I have already exported the SQL database.
GoDaddy.
And jump back to our file manager. You can see in the public folder we have the client e-commerce or web.php zip file. And now you just extract here and choose a folder name. Let's press dot slash and extract. Okay, now you can see the folder here. It will be extract, and just move them. I will move them to with Control 8 and see, you see move file here. I'll move file to this as we move to the public folder. Alright, let's see. And now you click inside the client here, the client folder. You don't see any file because I just moved all the file inside the public folder. And make sure all your file includes index.php must be inside the public folder HTML. Alright, if you want you can delete the client zip file, but I don't need to do that. And right now I will refresh the page. You can see it will display the template, and because I doesn't import any database to my website, so it doesn't display any data. So Now it's time to create a new database, and in my case I will yes, Thai in Vietnamese. It will be selling clothes. Okay. And this is the password, and make sure your password have one word that is uppercase. And now I create the holiday 12. Okay, now I'm create this. It's a
Aero experience.
okay, now enter your PHP-admin, and this is where you manage your database. And you can see here, choose the import browse, and okay, this is the SQL Zoo file. You can zip to ARCHI or don't need to unzip. Okay, you can see the file may be compressed or uncompressed, whatever you want. So when you import, and alright, or the import has successfully, and refresh the page. Okay, you don't see anything because you haven't configured your database. Let's jump back to the public HTML folder here. Refresh the page and jump to where you manage your database. In my case, I will jump to model folder. Inside the model folder, I will jump to PIDO. This is where I manage to connect to my database. Okay, you can see I will right. This is the database URL, the username, password. Let's jump. You can see this is my SQL database. Let's copy it and see. You don't need to fix this because you don't need. This is database name. You have to change the database names. And in my case, my SQL database name is this. And for short, you should name the database name like the username. Okay, this is the database name, and this is also the username because I named the database name and username at the same. And for the password, I've named it as holiday12. Okay, and the H of holiday would be uppercase. Now I've saved it. Okay, no connection. Make sure you copy it and save. Alright, let's refresh your page. Okay, it's easier than ever when you use Messenger to host your website. Or you want to free, you can use Infinity Freeze. But yeah, it would be take time if your web is big. Alright, let's choose About Us. Alright, for who don't know what is animation I'm using, you can search for typing animation. Alright, let's see. It works perfectly. And okay, this is the product information and related product comment, and you need to log in. We have to, okay, you want add to cart. Okay, it yeah, sometimes it doesn't reload properly, right? So this is the temporary domain. If you want to make your domain better, you can change the domain here. But if you want to show your project with your teacher and you don't need to do any business, you don't need to buy a new domain because it's cost fee. Alright. In this case, it's all over. And yes, I don't want to say you, but it doesn't take time if you click like and subscribe to my channel, because will promote me a lot, because I'm a YouTuber and all I need is just a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, or if you get any error when you hosting your PHP website, please let me know by commenting under below my video. See you next time.